model, 2005 Iveco Daily 35C12 with B3450 flatbed dropside tipper, genuine low mileage. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 82,350. Engine, 2,287 cc Ive 2.3. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. This vehicle will need some light attention to get it through its MOT, but well worth the effort. Features: 0 former keepers, tipper in working order, wind-up window.